Welcome to our travel hack guide, where we focus on the art of efficient packing. The first step in mastering this art is understanding its importance. Efficient packing is not merely about saving space, it's about making your travel experience smooth and stress-free. It allows you to find what you need easily, keeps your belongings secure, and can even help avoid extra baggage charges. As we dive into this guide, we will introduce you to methods and hacks that will revolutionize the way you pack for travel. Our journey towards efficient packing begins with meticulous planning. Making a comprehensive list of items you need is the foundation of efficient packing. Consider the nature of your trip, weather conditions, and daily necessities. This list serves as a roadmap, ensuring you pack only what is needed, leaving unnecessary items behind. Keep in mind, the better your preparations, the smoother your travel experience. Remember, efficient packing isn't about adding more to the suitcase, it's about optimizing what goes into it. The art of efficient packing starts with selecting suitable luggage. Are you going on a short trip, a long vacation, or a business trip? Is it adventure or leisure? Each requires different types of luggage. From backpacks and duffel bags to suitcases of varying sizes, choosing the right one depends on your specific travel needs. It must be spacious enough for your belongings, yet lightweight and durably. Careful consideration of your luggage can greatly enhance your travel experience and play a critical role in packing efficiency. When it comes to packing clothes, it's all about technique. Traditional folding takes up space and leads to wrinkles. This is where methods like rolling, Ranger roll, and layering come into play. Rolling clothes tightly can save significant space and reduce wrinkles. Ranger roll, a technique borrowed from the military, is ultra-effective for packing t-shirts and underwear. Layering involves neatly placing different clothing items on top of one another to create balance. Mastering these techniques will help you pack more clothes in a compact manner. Efficient packing is not just about packing less, but packing smart. Tools like packing cubes and toiletry bags can truly be game changers. They not only help to compartmentalize your luggage, but also keep your belongings secure and easy to find. Packing cubes act as mini drawers inside your suitcase, allowing you to categorize items. Toiletry bags are indispensable for storing liquids and important hygiene items safely. Utilizing these tools can transform your packing process into an organized, hassle-free routine and significantly enhance your travel experience. Coming to the finale of our efficient packing guide, let's focus on final checks and weight distribution. It's essential to distribute weight uniformly in your luggage for easy handling. Heavy items should be at the bottom, with lighter ones on top. Lastly, a quick run-through before leaving ensures you haven't left any key item behind. The beauty of packing light isn't just about fewer bags. It also means less stress, less clutter, and more freedom during your travel. Remember, in travel as in life, less is more.